Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download images from Adobe Firefly. Downloading images from Adobe Firefly developed by Adobe is quick and simple once you have generated your design. And here's a step-by-step guide. First, you need to go to the Adobe Firefly, open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar, type down firefly.adobe.com and enter it. And once you enter it, you'll get into this interface of your Adobe Firefly official. What you can do is you find this prompt here. You can simply go to this more icon here. After that, you'll get into this editing generation setting. What you can do is you can simply open the image preview, or you can also generate or select an image over here. You can find the ton of drafts images that you have previously generated. What you can do is you can select one of the photo and click onto this download icon here, and it will open to a larger preview as well. If you want to preview it, simply double click on it and select to this download in the top, and usually download arrow here, and the image will automatically start downloading on your PC. And downloading image from Adobe Firefly is fast and beginner friendly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.